Hey guys, welcome back to Miko's Adventures. As you can tell, I'm still digging. I got a pretty good area so far that I've dug out. It's took me about a month to do so far. Just remember, just because you're disabled don't mean that you can't get out and do things. I do it all the time. As you can tell, I dug up this. Stay, wheelbarrow. Stay. Remember, guys, just because you're disabled don't mean you can't do stuff. You don't have to stay inside the house and be miserable and everything else. I'll show you reason I took the wheelbarrow over here. I'll show you all this here. Not a bad section, you know, granted, yeah, it's took me a month to do, but that's okay. Because when I do get concrete put in here, it's going to save me a lot of money. And I don't know about you guys, but things are just too expensive these days in order to not save some money. As you can tell, I do got a wheelbarrow now instead of having the bucket. For filling in this big old hole here that I dug out. Well, and other people dug out, and it wasn't just me. So, but this little wheelbarrow here is not too bad for dumping. You see how easy it is to lift, right? You can just go like that, boom. And then we'll lift it up. I gotta get here right position. And all we gotta do is lift on up. Well, that didn't work out too good. Put too much in it. That's all right. Need to go get my shovel. You see, by me turning the dirt this way, I can get it. It's not as rough on me for when I am digging it out. You know, because I could dig and then I stop when I know that I'm overdoing it or pushing it, you know what I mean? And, it helps out. Turn the power off on the chair. I don't want to slide into this hole, that's for sure. That definitely would hurt me. Without a doubt. Alright. See if I could do this with you guys attached here. When I can afford to, I'm going to build a big old outdoor aquarium right here out of concrete. And what do you call that other stuff? Some thick plexiglass. I think it'll look really cool. Okay. Now I'm going to back up. I'm going to take the shovel back over here real quick. Doop doo doo doop doo 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 doo. Now we'll go get our wheelbarrow. I bought this wheelbarrow here for $30 off of a guy. not too bad. Man, come on. That sucker's still too heavy. We took most of that dirt out. Slid right on out. It was beautiful. Alright, guys. There we go. I'm going to strap you on. Hope you don't get dizzy. Hopefully y'all didn't get dizzy from that. If you did, I apologize. Oh. I've learned if you go backwards with this wheelbarrow, it's a lot easier. Alright. Well, guys, that's all I'm going to do for right now. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. I like to hear from you guys. I do reply to all comments. And please, like I said, hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel. I'd really appreciate it. It'd help me out tremendously. Thank you so much. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day. And bless y'all. Bye for now.